Young graduate walks across a stage, receives a qualification after years of hard work, and dreams of a better future. A homeless man sleeps on a pavement just a few kilometers away. A teenager battles drug addiction while another spends months searching for work without success. These are not isolated stories. They are realities that many South Africans witness every day. And now, these frustrations are being pulled into one of the country's most controversial debates. In Durban, Fikile Mthikathi, a prominent figure associated with Operation Dugela and anti-illegal immigration activism, delivered a passionate address focused on unemployed graduates, homeless people, drug addiction, and struggling youth. His message raised difficult questions about government priorities, undocumented migration, law enforcement, and the future of vulnerable South Africans. But here's the question that has divided communities across the country. While thousands of South Africans struggle with unemployment, homelessness, and substance abuse, who is responsible for fixing these problems, and why do many citizens believe not enough is being done? Before we go any further, like this video and subscribe for more in-depth investigations and discussions on the stories shaping South Africa today.
Bangaphumla abantu le bangaphumla abantu Sukuma. Hey, sukuma la. Matot, hey, usami ndoyenza la nje. Ambani wenza la. Bawuthenga la. Iyafunda. Ufuna nifunda ukulalela ngeke ngikwazi ukusiza ungalaleli mina. Uyabona ndoda? Hey. Yewani. Umhlobani. Uyaza ukuhamba nabantu. Wena umuntu ngeke. Angakwazi asizwaneni ngizobona masizwana kuzobalula kanjani ngiyamthanda uDablinde emathi njengokhuphela kumele abantu kanjalo ngaphambi wami kumele wena uNkulunkulu ngimdumisa ngoba okwazi uyabona uNkulunkulu inenze mina ngiyame isibanga okumbili sowenza niyenza bafuna impilo ekhaya siyayazi yonke lento zoyichaza yonke lento zoyichaza lona ngiyayazi Essa é uma, você está no meu chuveiro, uma coisa. Essa menina vai ver. Porque o Jesus, quando a gente pode ver triste, não, como eu acho que eu tô Uzobalai cada mês. Sifuna liberar. Sizoshawisela umoya omuhle. Ngizobona. Abangakholwa bazobona. Uyazi usoshalama. Uyazi sizoshawisela umoya kakhulu. Hayi yonke into emenyezwayo. Zoshintana phela. Uzobalai. Yawe. Ngabe. Hawu susala. Oh, bezongishilo ngiyamchaphaza. Uyabona ngibambe kanje ngihalela ukusiba. Ah, yenziwa leyo.
In conclusion, is not just a single what we are seeing is not just a single speech or a single reflection of deeper frustrations building up in communities across South Africa. Issues like unemployment among graduates, drug addiction, and concerns around immigration are all colliding for many citizens. It feels like promises have not yet translated into real change, and that is where the anger and debate are coming from. At the same time, there are serious questions about how solutions should be handled, and whether blame alone can fix problems that are complex. Government policies, law enforcement, social services, community action all play a role. Community action all play a role. So the real question is not just what will actually be done going forward, but what will actually be done going forward. Because until real solutions are seen, this conversation will continue to grow louder and more emotional and more divided.